guys, how are you guys doing? I'm back on another video, and today I'll be talking about the Snow whitening home whitening kit. I know some of you guys have saw me on Instagram or Facebook, just telling you guys how I get my white teeth, showing you guys I am an ambassador for this. I can and will put a link in right down below, and if you guys are looking to buy any, you can go ahead and click that link, and they'll set you up with the kit. All right, so if you're interested, just keep watching. Okay, so when you get the box, it comes like this. This one's the one that was $149. I know they had like a special for it, and it was $149 when I bought it. But this one right here is the one with the cord. So basically you can connect this either to a USB cord, you can connect this to an iPhone, to an Android, anything. And that's what gives it the power, the light, the LED light that turns on. So yeah. So it comes in a box like this, and I'll just read the back for you. It says, the Snow Teeth Whitening System combines our unique proprietary, whatever guys, whitening serum with our patented pending LED accelerating light. Enjoy a whiter, more confident smile in as little as 9 minutes per day. And it says, made for every smile. If you have sensitive teeth, dental work, or braces. So I can talk about the sensitivity. I have sensitive teeth, and I have gotten my teeth whitened before. Sorry. I was just eating a sandwich. And I have used the Crest White strips. Both things hurt my teeth horribly. The Crest White strips gave me like this shocking pain in my teeth. I wasn't aware that they caused that. And so then after that, I never did it again. But then I tried a different whitening system where I went to somebody and I sat in a chair, and I paid $100. And that was with a coupon. I think it was on Groupon. And I sat down on his chair, and he whitened my teeth for like an hour. That day, it didn't hurt. But the next day, I had to have Motrin and like every 6 hours, every 6 to 8 hours, because my mouth hurt so bad. I mean, eventually the pain went away in a couple of days. But I mean, who wants to go through that? It was horrible. Like, that teeth pain is not fun, and I'll never do that again. So this pack right here, the $149 pack, comes with the LED mouthpiece. It comes with an extra strength wand, and it comes with 3 whitening wands. And then it comes with a little shade guide and a user manual. So let's go ahead and get into that. So I took off the little sleeve, and this is the box. So I've had this for a little while now. It's been about a month, I think I've had it now. And just to let you guys know, I know $149 seems like a lot, and I know that they have an awesome cordless one that my mother has. It's amazing. It's very high tech. That one's $3.99, I believe. I wasn't trying to spend that type of money on something that I didn't know if it worked yet. So I went ahead and did this. But before, what I did was I used Afterpay. And if you guys don't know what Afterpay is, go ahead and Google that. You can actually pay this off in 4 payments, and there's no extra charge to it. So I do a lot of my stuff on there. I think it's pretty awesome. So yeah, don't think this is too much for you at the moment, because you can actually split the price up into 4. Okay? So go ahead and Google Afterpay and take a look at everything that they have to offer. There's a bunch of stores that offer that now. So yeah, let's get into what it looks like. So when you open it, it opens up like this. And this is the the shade guide. Mine is a little hurt right now. So this is the shade guide right here. And it goes from the whitest to yellow from 1 to 15. And then you can kind of put your date that you started, I believe. This date that you started, and then you do before and after checks. So before you start, so that way you can see your progression and see if it's actually working for you. So this is the shade guide. All right. Then, of course, you get the user guide, and it kind of tells you a little bit of what to do. Right here, you hook it onto the phone. Before you do that, make sure you brush your teeth thoroughly. Then you put on the whitening wand. Then you put the mouthpiece on, connect it to the phone, put it on your mouth, set a timer for your desired time to end, and then once you're done, you rinse your mouth out thoroughly. Okay, so I know you guys have seen a lot of celebrities being ambassadors for this, but and sometimes it's kind of like, does it really work? Or, you know, because they're actually getting paid for that. Yeah, they are, but it does actually work. You guys can see my teeth. It works great. So I'm going to go ahead and start this step by step, okay? I forgot to show you guys the most important part. Bam. So you get a whitening, an extra strength whitening, and then you get the 3 for the upkeep. And it says that this gives you at least 75 applications. So these here will give you 75 applications. If you ever, at the time that you ever run out, you can go back to the website and go ahead and purchase which ones you would like. So my favorite to start with is the extra strength, the maximum strength serum. Looks like this. It comes in a gold wand. When you open it, it has like this little wand thingy right here with the gel. If you have sensitive teeth, maybe you could try out, just to give you peace of mind, these gray ones first. These are less potent than these. But if your teeth are fine, my teeth are sensitive, and I still went in with this right away because I wanted to see maximum results quicker. And it did not hurt or bother me one bit. So, you know, just try it. If you want to just ease your way into it, then the gray ones are the best way to kind of get yourself started. But these ones will get you there quicker. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get started. Make sure you guys have clean teeth. And then you kind of click it a couple times, and then you can see like the gel coming out. Do you see that? All right. So I have a mirror here just in case you guys, I'm looking down or whatever the case may be. So you go ahead and you just, you paint it on your teeth. Like that. Alright, so Laura wants to come out. I gotten pretty good at this. I'm talking like this too. So make sure you paint the teeth that are in the front. Well done. Alright, so I connected it to our hall. This goes in. guys, so I clean this off with water. You can put a little soap on it, and then you just let it dry, and you put it back into its like little case right here once it's dry, into this little case. All right, so that's basically it. I did mine for 25 minutes. You can start at whatever you think is best for you. I just went right in for the gusto. You know what I mean? Like, I want to see if this really worked. And those are my teeth. And just so you guys know, there are other products on the website. There's like the lip balm, which I would advise to put some lip balm on before you put it on in your mouth, just because sometimes it kind of makes your lips get dry and it'll crack or whatever, just because it's so big in your mouth. They do have like charcoal flosses and things for your gums and all that. The other thing that I do use that I wanted you guys to know too, because it could be also why my teeth are white, is I've been using charcoal toothpaste. So that kind of helps too, to whiten, and it pulls out like stains and impurities. So yeah, I've also been using that. Other than that, that's basically how quick and easy it is. Yeah. So let me know what you guys think. I think they look pretty white. What do you guys think? Let me know. And if you've used it, let me know what you think. Okay?